What if I told you that there's a method already proven that you could implement right away that would give you the opportunity to capture your piece of that trillion-dollar industry? There's a reason why wellness experts become experts. It's to make a bigger impact and inspire others to be healthy. But let's face it, if you want to make a career out of it, you have to be able to make money as well. And there's one type of certification that gets you there. You can become the most credible and sought-after wellness entrepreneur. Steve and I created Juice Guru Institute to take the most effective healing modality, proven to be superior by science. That's not just another here today, gone tomorrow fad, but centuries old and still works better than anything else. And use the power of juice to guide others to propel their own thriving wellness business.